Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Tripura University's exam account. Let's get started. To log into your Tripura University's exam account, what you can do is simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Tripura University Exam Login. And after searching for that, just scroll down. After scrolling down here, you can find this option which is TUETPS Tripura University. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, it will take you to this page. From here, you just have to please click on link to fill the exam form. Just tap on it. After tapping on that link, now it will take you to this page. From here, what you can do is just fill your exam form, and after filling this form, you will log into your account. So to fill this form, what you have to do is you have to select your session. After selecting your session, now what you can do is just select the exam. After selecting your exam, now what you have to do is just select registration year. Then you have to enter your register number, which is of 6 digits. After entering your register number, now what you can do is just tap on submit, and after tapping on submit, you will log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Tripura University's exam account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.